They are watching you fail because you won't stop telling them your plans. The world is addicted to the announcement. We post the gym selfie before the workout. We share the business idea before the first dollar. We trade our potential for a like. But the 1%, they operate differently. They use a strategy called the Ghost Protocol. They don't announce the move, they are the move. If you want to change your life, you have to be willing to be forgotten for a while. Let me show you how to disappear and why it's the only way to truly be seen. When you announce your goals, you get a social dopamine hit. Your brain tricks you into feeling like you have already achieved a goal just because you told someone about it. This is why most people talk a big game but never finish the play. Every time you post your progress, you leak energy. You are trading your long-term success for short-term attention. The silent lead understands that true growth is a private affair. It's the work done in the shadows that eventually steps into the light. To disappear doesn't mean moving to the mountains. It means emotional and digital detachment. It's about entering a state where your internal compass is louder than the external noise. This is the monk mode of the modern age. You stop responding to every ping. You stop justifying your choices to people who aren't going where you're going. You become a ghost in the system. While others are busy curating their lives, you are busy building yours. In the silence, something happens. Your focus sharpens. Your anxiety drops. You stop being a consumer and start being a creator. Silence is a filter. It filters out the fake friends, the useless opinions, and the distraction that keep you average. When you eventually return, when you finally reveal what you have been working on, you won't need to shout. The quality of your work will be the noise. You don't have to tell people you have changed. They'll feel it when you walk into the room. This world doesn't need more noise. It needs more depth. It needs more people who are comfortable with their own thoughts. Go dark. Work in the shadows. Let them wander, because the only thing more powerful than a person who knows what to say is a person who knows they don't have to say anything at all.